Hello guys, the question we are going to see is that like we have to find the indexes of the sorted array. Okay, initially the array will be of unsorted order and we have to find the position of the element, the given element. First of all, we need to sort the array. Okay, that's a preliminary step, and after that we will just iterate to the array and get the position of the target element. Okay, we will try to solve it. Okay. I will just copy paste it. Target. We will just define a function to find index. We'll just pass the list and the target. Okay, after that we just define the function. Passing the nums comma target. Okay, we will just sort the array using the sort function. After that we'll just iterate through the array using for loop. We need to like return the output as an array format. Or this one we just declare a output. So we'll just temp array. We will be appending the position. After that return the temp array. Okay, we'll just try to run it. Yeah, it's returning. We'll just go further. The given array and the target will be of 3. Okay, we'll just change the target to 3. It's returning 3. What if we will return 5? Okay. Okay guys, it's returning. Let us copy paste. Okay guys, let us copy paste this. We need to do some indentation. Yep, it's right. Let's submit it. Yeah guys, it's success. That's all guys. See you in another video. Thank you.